Tosaf is a global manufacturer of high-quality color masterbatches, additives, and compounds. Over the years, we've perfected our most important skill, understanding our customers and helping them get to where they want to go. Every customer has unique needs. Our goal is to tailor solutions that respond to those needs with flawless precision. We may seem like a product-oriented company, but what we really provide is a service. Our R&D team consists of over 60 professionals who work together to develop tailor-made solutions for complex challenges and ever-changing market demands. Our team members are great scientists, but they are also great listeners, guides, and collaborators. Tosaf operates multiple global manufacturing facilities that service 5,000 customers in 50 countries. We develop proprietary solutions for leading companies worldwide who operate in the packaging, automotive, agriculture, building and construction, electronics, textile, and home, sport, and leisure industries. Color is an integral part of what we do at Tosaf. We are one of the only multinational master batch companies that offer dedicated local color service support in our customers' own language, from our laboratories and innovation facilities around the world, right to their doorstep. With dozens of production lines of different sizes, we are flexible enough to deliver orders ranging from 5 kilograms to 5 truckloads, with the same care and attention to detail. Tosaf, tailor-made solutions, world-class service.